screws. Maybe we can give. Oh, I cannot improve it. Unless I take the whole thing out. I think I'm gonna stop there on the watch itself. Yeah, I can improve it. The only way I can improve it is by taking the balance out. I have to take it out completely, remove the hairspring, take it out. I was explaining to you, there's so many parts, and then I would need to put it on that balance and check it out. Yeah, and I find it's hardly worth it. I think it's close enough. I'm going to speed it up a bit so that we average pretty good, but not very much. Yeah, I don't want to ask for troubles, you know. Sometimes you spend time.
Yeah, you can split the hair so many ways.
Do you want to see?
No,
I should have offered you before.
I'm good here.
Okay.
Can see better.